Coach din, the founder of Elites Academy. So today, for your inspiration, gusto ko lang i-congratulate lahat ng kumita this week from Live Good Specialist sa loob ng Elites Academy. So today, for your inspiration, meron tayong earnings na $1,300 or 76,600 pesos. So, thank you so much kay Live Good. Grabe no, for only $2,950 na puhunan, pwede ka na mag-start ng business mo at weekly and monthly, pwede ka na rin kumita. So, kung matagal ka nang nanonood sa amin, abay, huwag ka nang manood. Sumabay ka na, you can message us, you can message me. Pwede ka rin mag-comment down below para makapag-attend ka ng aming